Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for our Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And today's stamp set is one that's going to speak to your crafter's heart. Let me tell you, this is so funny. First off, if you're not familiar with our stamp club, I'll give you the information in the description below. You can join our stamp club where you get a brand new, never before released stamp set every month for only $11.99 if you're in the US and $13.49 if you are outside of the US. And there's no shipping on it. It's literally $11.99 or $13.49. You also get a discount in our store when you're a stamp club member. You get a 15% off discount on most of your purchases. So today's stamp set came from, you're going to laugh and you're going to relate. You're all going to be like, same. So we were sitting in the graphic design room and we were talking about laundry and chores and how we don't enjoy chores as much as, we wish we did, et cetera, et cetera. And we got to laughing because we were like, you know what? That's literally how we are. We would rather craft as crafters than do chores, and that's where this stamp set came from. Plus, the graphics are just too cute. You'll see, too cute. All right, ready for this? Here's this much stamp set. It is called Chores Can Wait, and I love it. How much do you love this sink and these little air bubbles? They're so cute. The little bubbles, like soap bubbles, not air bubbles, but soap bubbles. A little dish with a spoon in it. This is a stack of dishes. It's upside down. We had to do that to make it fit on the thing, but you'll see how that's used in my samples. A little stack of cups and saucers. A vacuum that is literally the cutest vacuum. I wish I owned that vacuum. Another stack of dishes, and look at this pile of laundry. Now let's talk about sentiments. Too cute. Craft now, chores later. I love that one. Loving you is never a chore. Here's to making this card for you and letting chores wait, right? Even if you didn't put this on every single, like if you didn't do a chore card, you could totally put this on the back of every card you make because it's the truth. Here's to making this card for you and letting chores wait. How about this one? I was cleaning, started daydreaming, thinking what a good friend you've been. How many times when you're like, vacuuming or doing dishes, you're daydreaming, right? It's so us. It's so who we are. And then friends like you make life loads more fun. And then this one, laundry piled high, dishes stacked to the sky. All I wanted to do was make this for you. I love the way this works. I think it is so cute. I know you guys are going to find 1,000 ways to use it. One way I didn't use it in my samples, which I had planned to do and didn't get to, is to make the doors where they open and maybe even stack dishes in there or laundry or use some of your other stamp sets. And this is going to sound crazy, but when we were kids, my little brother would get in cabinets. It was his thing to do. And I thought if you had the stamp set that said, the one that's called You Make Me Happy, it'd be funny to stamp the little kids inside the cabinets. Did any of your siblings or children do that? My brother would constantly be walking out of a cabinet in the kitchen. It's what he loved to do. So there's the stamp set. Let me show you the samples. I think they're adorable. Okay. So my first one that I did is this guy. Friends like you make life loads more fun. This will work with the dishes as well because you load the dishwasher. So you still can say if you were just using this sentiment underneath the sink, it still can be loads more fun because you have a load of dishes or a load of clothes. So think of it like that. What I did, by the way, so tomorrow, the noon, oh look, I missed a spot. Let's fix it while we're sitting here. Tomorrow, my noon video will be these 3 samples being made for you in the video. So I do have tutorials coming for you tomorrow to show you how I did this. But I just took the stamp set and cut extra laundry and stacked it up. I just thought it was super cute like that. So there is sample number 1. On the inside, it says, here's to making this card for you and letting chores wait. I love that. There's sample number 1. Sample number 2, I can't pick a favorite. This one is adorable. Look at this. Sample number 2 is craft now, chores later. And to me, it just looks like whoever was vacuuming just did one strip and went, forget this, I'm going to make something. So that's why I did this to where it has one clean spot of the dirty carpet or floor. I love that. So that's sample number 2. And then sample number 3 is laundry piled high, dishes stacked to the sky. All I wanted to do was make this for you. Look how cute this is. I did those 2 stacks of dishes up on dimensional foam. And then in the video, I show you how to do the whole thing. You'll get to see how this was done. But I love how this turned out. Again, how cute would this be to have these doors open and have something inside as well? I haven't even done that. Even the drawers could flip forward. Haven't done that yet either. So there's my 3 samples of this stamp set. I am in love. I think it is the cutest thing, and it is so me. And I have to tell you a funny story. So if you just wanted to see the reveal, that was it. But I want to tell you this funny story. So Our house, we live in a two-story house, and my washer and dryer is downstairs. And when I moved into my house, my mother said, "You will hate that washer and dryer being downstairs." And I'm like, "No, I won't. No, I won't." Well, that was, 10 plus years ago. And at the time, I didn't hate it. Well, now I hate that my washer and dryer is downstairs, and I don't dry my clothes. So I have to take my clothes down and wash them. And then I have to have like one of my kids bring up a wet hamper of clothes. So that means I'm constantly waiting on my kids. Well, here's what's funny. I found a portable washing machine and I invested in it. It wasn't that bad. I got myself a portable washing machine for my bathroom upstairs, and I have been in heaven. And the funny thing is, this stamp set was designed well before I did that, which is so funny. The washing machine just got delivered recently, so when I got time to do these samples, it makes me laugh so much because I've spent so much time getting my laundry done and feeling so good about it, because now I can actually just do my own laundry without help from anybody, and it's awesome. So I guess the moral of the story is listen to your mom. Maybe that's what it is. All right, guys. Every month we do a giveaway for these for our Stamp Club sets. That giveaway is $50 to our store, and all you have to do to enter is make a project using this stamp set. Doesn't matter what the project is. Tags, cards, 3D projects, doesn't matter. Make a project and then upload it to our customer gallery, and then that's your entry. That's all you have to do. And once a month we pull a winner. Now I do not have the winner's name right now. I always film these in advance, but the winner's name from last month will be in the description below. So just open show more underneath this video, and the first line will show the winner, and we will also email the winner. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Can't wait to see what you do with this one. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.